Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Neil with CCS Investment Group. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, and we ended green again. Today we actually had to take one more trade than I like to. I ended up taking four trades, three on the ES and one on the NQ. Um, so just to go over the market a little bit here and give everybody kind of an idea as to what we had going on. So the market before the actual U.S. market opened, U.S. trading hours at 9:30. We already seeing the VIX kind of low. Then we just started moving higher, which actually started dragging the market, the ES, um, you know, down. I mean, we hit here. We just started going down. Um, so before even opening, one could have truly taken a short as soon as you seen the VIX here start turning. Could have just grabbed the short and been done with it. Done with your trading day. However, I still waited. I waited for the market to open. I wanted to see what was going to happen, and sure enough, the market opened. Um, we continued to drive a little bit higher here in the VIX, which continued to dig deeper here with the ES and the Nasdaq. And then eventually we kind of filled a gap here on the VIX, and we kind of topped out, and that sent us back down, which was good. That sent us back down, which ended up making the market move back up towards the 28 30 28 40 area. My very first trade that I took was a short. Um, I ended up waiting for this area here, this resistance line that I had drawn out last night, and it respected it. It respected it. We moved a little bit over it, and we came right back down, and that's right when I took my short. 2853 was the entry. But we exited a little bit lower. 2851 was my exit on that trade. Um, and then I waited another little bit here. Again, it was another one of those. I waited for it to now come back because then we hit this area of resistance, and we started moving down here in the ES. So my next trade was right here on the support line, another short, and I rode that here to about this Keltner band, and I was out real quick trade there. And then my very next trade was actually a ES long, and I grabbed that right here, um, and I rode that up here to this Keltner band here, and that was my exit. And as you could tell, the Nasdaq or the S&P 500 continued to trend higher. Uh, we were putting in higher lows there. And now, as you can tell, as the market has reopened, we're just kind of trading sideways now. Just trying to figure out, what's gonna happen next. 2890 is putting up some fight here. We got a resistance line here. So trying to figure out what's gonna happen. Where are we gonna move as far as it goes for tomorrow. But that's the S&P. Those were my trades there. I took 3 trades on the S&P. So moving over here to the Nasdaq, the NQ. I ended up taking a short here. I started seeing some kind of little bit of like exhaustion as we were getting up here to this upper Keltner band. So I just waited. I waited for one more opportunity here, and I ended up taking a short right here. And I rode that down to this middle Keltner band here, and I ended the day plus $228. So continuing on with the green days, continuing that trend of just patting the wins. So I'm gonna work again later on tonight. I may actually just wait till tomorrow morning to start drawing out some more support resistance lines. They seem to be helpful, at least for me. They're kind of helpful just to kind of see it right away on the chart, and let's get back at it tomorrow. So I hope everybody has a good evening, and we'll see you all tomorrow. All right, bye.